I equal to given integral. Trigonometric formula sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x in the denominator. Change root 4 in the denominator to 2. Multiply and divide with root tan x. Use tan x equal to sin x by cos x for the expression in the numerator only. So root tan x in the numerator will become root sin x by root cos x. Rearrange and cancel. Root cos x into root cos x in the denominator will become cos x. So we get the factor 1 by cos power 4x. 1 by cos x equal to sec x to get the factor sec power 4x. We aim to use the substitution t equal to tan x so that dt equal to sec square x dx. So we change the sec power 4x as sec square x into sec square x. Change one of the factors into 1 plus tan square x. Leaving sec square x dx for use in the substitution. Now start the substitution. Put t equal to tan x. So dt equal to sec square x dx. Also find the new limits. Change the given integral completely in terms of t with the new limits. Change root t in the denominator to t power 1 by 2. Split the expression into two parts. Apply the laws of indices and then integrate. Both the terms are of the form integral x power n dx. Apply the limits.